Hello, so let's understand what is weight of an object. So weight of an object is the force acting on that object due to an acceleration or a gravity. So acceleration or gravity is a constant which has a value of 9.81 meter per second square on the earth. For example, there is an object and it has a mass of 1 kg, and you want to know what is the weight of that object. Remember, weight and mass are two different things. Mass is determined by the volume multiplied by the density of that object, and a weight would be the, as I said, it's the force acting on that object due to acceleration or the gravity. So for example, this is an object which has a mass of 1 kg on earth. If you want to calculate the weight of this object right here, so what you will do is that weight would be equal to mass times gravity, or mass times acceleration due to gravity. So mass is 1 kg, gravity is 9.81 meter per second square, and take a product of 2, it would be 9.81 kg meter seconds per second square, or you can also write it Newton. In SI base units, you can say the weight of this object is 9.81 kg meter per second square, or simply say 9.81 Newton. For example, on Mars, if you want to calculate the weight of the same object, so the gravity on Mars has to be taken into account, which is different than the gravity on Earth. So the gravity on Mars has a constant value of 3.72 meter per second square. Therefore the weight of this object on Mars would be 3.72 multiplied by 1 kg, so it is 3.72 Newton. So for example, I am a person and I have weight on earth on 60 kg. It's my weight, and that 60 kg is my mass actually, but my weight would be a force acting on me due to acceleration of the gravity on earth would be my mass multiplied by the gravity of acceleration. So I have to calculate it like this: 60 kg multiplied by 9.81 meter per second square, so it would be about 600 Newton. That would be the force or the weight that I will calculate. So generally when I say I weigh 60 kg, it means it's my mass of my body, but the weight is different. It would be 600 Newton. On the other hand, if I go to Mars and there I want to know how much is my weight, so it would be again 60 kg multiplied by the gravity on Mars, which is 3.72 meter per second square. So it's approximately 240 Newton. That is the weight or the force that I will be experiencing on the Mars. So hope you understand the concept between the mass, weight and the gravity, and you can relate them to each other and the relationship between them. So this diagram is explaining you the mass and the weight.